Hey beauties, it is your girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I'm giving you guys this look right here. Honestly, I was super uninspired, but I've been checking out Mitchell's Instagram. He is so popping with blending. He is so popping with the way he throws colors together. And I saw a look on his Instagram that is very much so similar to this. And it had a pop of green, so I was just like, hey, let me see what that be like. And I don't think I've ever used green on my channel. I think I've used every color except for green. This is the look that I did today. And before we get into the video, of course, we gotta shout out my gang, especially because, I did not upload on Tuesday and they made that part of my gang, make sure they watched the video that did not get that many views. So shout out to y'all, alright, my gang. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and enjoy. Alright guys, so we are starting with one eye done. Honestly, this is it. So I'm going to be priming my eyes with this Makeup Revolution concealer. I will no longer be using this on my actual face, so I don't mind using it as eyeshadow primer because it's actually really good. I'm just going to blend this out using this Urban Decay brush. It's from the Naked Heat palette. Alright, so while this concealer is completely blended out, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and some setting powder and just set that concealer in place because I don't feel like being extra today. Alright, so we're going to go fully into the eyeshadow look. And if you see color, of course you know what palette I'm going into. I shouldn't have to say it, but it is the Smashbox covershot bold eye palette. Love this palette for colors. It has the main colors that you need. Roy G. Biv. If you don't know what that is, then you're not into art. So I'm using the orange shade as a transition shade, and this is Wait What. I'm using my M511. I just realized that Roy G. Biv, you learned that like in what, elementary, junior high, or the colors in the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, Roy G. Biv. Right, so just a little bit of orange just to get us by, and you know what color we're about to go into, which is the red, and the red is in Fling. And this is going all into the crease. I'm actually going to go over the orange. So I'm just going to take, quick circular motions back and forth in the crease to blend and also pack that shade on. I've been watching a lot of Mitchell stuff on Instagram, and like, he's so inspiring. He uses a lot of colors. His blending technique is immaculate, and it looks like he doesn't set his primer. I know he uses the P. Louise, and I'm sorry, but I ain't that bold. Okay, I'm not. But his circular windshield wipe thing that he does, I've tried it and it works really well. I have not tried it on clients yet, but I'm going to and see if that will help me get through eyeshadow quicker. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm working from multiple palettes today. I apologize. I'm going into my soft glam palette, and I'm going into the color Mulberry, and I'm using my R38, I think. And I'm just blending that below the red shade, just deepening the crease. Then I'm going to go in with my M433 from MUFE, and I'm going to go into Noir from the palette, and that is going to just deepen it up some more. So I'm just lightly blending this directly in the crease. And I don't know, I felt like with the blending that I did, it makes this go by quicker because I'm basically done blending my crease for right now. Alright, so I'm going to pick up my 714 from Bdellium Tools and my white eyeshadow base from NYX. And I'm going to use that to carve out my lid. So I'm going to take my C433 from Morphe. I'm going to pick up mulberry first and just pack that on the very far outer corner of the eye. I'll follow with a little bit of noir on the very, very far outer corner of the eye. And just go back over to the opposite side of the brush and some of mulberry. I know I'm probably moving a little fast. My bad. Now is the green shade. I'm just going to find the brush that I use for the green shade, which is a miscellaneous brush. It's not really miscellaneous. It's from the Party Girl set from BH Cosmetics, but that brush set is no longer being sold. So I'm just going to pack that green on where the white base and the outer eyeshadow meet. I'm just going to pack it on and blend it at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to go into Tempera from the palette. And I'm just going to pack that on the farthest front part of my lid. So I'm just going to go back in with the green shade from the palette, which is Sellout. And I'm just going to blend that. So I'm going to blend it in between both parts. And instead of me blending it from the shadow inward, I'm blending it in and outward. It's hard for me to explain. Alright. Last but not least, I'm just going to go back in with the brush from the outer shade and just blend the two together. I'm just going to pop on a wing. I'm using two liners. First liner I'm using is the Swing liner from the Balm, just to use it as a base. Alright, once that wing is done, I'm going to do the glitter part of the wing. Y'all know I don't really mess with glitter like that, so I'm gonna use the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow. What is it? Liquid eyeshadow. The name of it is so long, I always forget it. I'm gonna go in with a angled liner brush, and this is the Badillion Tools number 708. And I'm just going to follow the wing that I created with the Swing liner. So now that that is down, I'm just gonna go in with my NYX matte liquid liner to go over that, to just clean up whatever mistakes I made. So we're just gonna finish off the eye before we put on our lashes and mascara. So using my favorite eyeliner and pencil. I don't know if it's discontinued, but I'll be really upset because I really love that. But I'm using my full spectrum liner from Geek. I'm just following with this flat definer brush some of mulberry and some of noir, and I'm just blending underneath that black liner. And then just taking this angled brush and some of the red eyeshadow, and instead of me blending it underneath, I'm actually tapping it underneath that shadow. I'm taking a pencil brush, some of mulberry, and blending in between the black and the red. Now we're going to pop on lashes. Lashes are a secret, of course, so I don't even know why you guys are going to even sit here and try to ask. Don't ask. And I know I messed up for it. Don't worry. So I'm just popping on my Scuba mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Alright. Last thing on the eyes is the inner corner highlight. I used two colors. So first I went in with the Smashbox color in Techno, and I popped that in my inner corner. It wasn't working, like it wasn't working the last time. So I went into my Makeup Geek shadows, went into this frosty green shade, and it is in Fantasy, and I just put that one up. that was basically it on the eyes. So let's just finish off the face really quickly. Alright, so just gonna quickly put on my lip, but if you guys haven't seen the video on this wig, I'm just going to let it slide across right now, and you can just click and see how I got this hairstyle. I don't know what's going on with it. It looks super curly right now. My curls are usually a little more straight, but hey, I'm gonna let it do what it do today. I'm gonna use my Sway Matte Lip Pencil, and this is in Downtown Beauty. But you guys should know that already. Gonna use the Pure Matte lipstick from NARS. They can in Tashkent they can discontinue this, and I'm upset because this was my favorite new lipstick, especially when I used to work at Sephora. So here is your finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. Do not forget to hit that notification button. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, and if I am not uploading on that Tuesday or that Friday, I'll always let you, well, from now on, I will let you guys know in the little community section of my page. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.